Hi guys, this is Karthik and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to find out the unique elements in an array using Java. We are going to discuss multiple approach. First, we will start with the brute force approach. So we are going to do is we are going to count the occurrence of each character, and if it's occurring more than one time, we are not going to print it. So for that, I'm using two for loops. For int I assign 0, I should be less than n I plus plus, and at j for int j assign 0, j should be less than n, j plus plus. We need a count variable, int count equal to 0, and we will check if arr of j equal to arr of I, and then we will just increase the count value. And if the count value is equal to 1, so if there is only one time that element is occurring, we are going to print it out. System.out.println arr of I. Let's just try and run this code. So here we can see the output is 0, 8 and 1. For the first time when 2 comes, the 2 is actually coming 2 times, so it's not going to print it. 9 is also coming 2 times, so it is not going to print it. For 3, it's coming here, here and here, so it is 3 times, so we can't print it. Finally, when 0 comes, it is occurring only once, so it is going to be printed. 8 is also occurring only once, so it is printed. And 1 is also occurring only once, so it is printed. But the problem with this code is that it is using two for loops. So the time complexity for this code is big O of n square, and we need a better approach for that. So what we can do, rather than think all these things, I'm just going to remove this code and just put it over here. Public static void main control V. This is the code. We can't fun one. This is the first function that we created. You just need to pass the array and the intent, so it will work. So now what we are doing is we going to try another approach. So what we will do first, we will sort the array. So that will take around the complexity of big O of n log n. So for that, we are using the default sorting algorithm, arrays.sort arr. It will sort the array, and then we will need a single loop. So we have our current at 0. We'll initialize from 1. It should be less than n I plus plus. So if the value that at but ith index is equal to the current value, we'll just keep on incrementing. But if it is different, that has to be greater, we will just increment the value. So if curr, that is arr of current, is equal to arr of I, we will just continue and do nothing. But if the value is not equal, what we will do, we will just make the new current. So we will increment the current, and at this point we will copy the value of the arr of I. And now when we try to print the elements of the array, let's see what comes out. Int I is 0, I should be less than n, I plus plus. So yes, print println arr of I. But we don't have to print all the elements, we just have to print the elements until current. So it's printing 0, 1, 2, 3 and 8 and 9. So what's the problem with this code? So initially our current is 0, we will increment it and copy that value. So what it's just saying, it's removing all the duplicate. It's rather than removing all the duplicate elements, it's showing us all the elements that are present at least once. So these are the unique elements that we have in our array. This code just shows us all the elements that are present only once, and this will help us to show all the unique elements. Now, if you want to improve our performance and just do the entire thing in big O of n time, so we can use another code. First, I will comment this thing. So So I commented the code. Now we are using a hash set. So I will just create a hash set. Hash set of integer type, new hash set of integer. Now I'm going to add all these values to the hash set. Int I is n0, I should be less than n, I plus plus h dot add arr of I. Now we just print the elements represented in the hash set. Syntax from h system dot out dot println of x. So here are all the values that are unique present in the hash set using the hash set. So I hope you like the video and you like the different approaches that we use in this program. So if you like the video, please rate, comment, subscribe, and thank you.